Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Joyce. So I know by now you know every corner of this kitchen. We are in the kitchen and we want to cook something. Today we are going to cook Lyonnaise potatoes. Ninasumbuliwa na hizi paka, let me show you. Sorry for that guys, the two kittens were all over this kitchen, so nimewafukuza, nimewapeleka huko nje. So si nje huko. So I'm going to be cooking Lyonnaise potatoes. I'll be showing you everything. First of all, let me show you the ingredients and then we head to cooking, and I will be showing you step by step how I cook them. So these are my ingredients. I have English potatoes, nimezikata into wedge. Our salt, Royco cubes, 2 Royco cubes, black pepper. And tell me why I was in the supermarket yesterday and I did not buy or take black pepper. I have 4 medium-sized onions, red onions. I have garlic. I have 1 bunch of coriander. So I'm going to be preparing this. As I am preparing these onions and dania, I'm going to pre-boil the potatoes. So maji yangu imechemka, nitaweka tu viazi. I do not want to get burnt. Make sure that you have washed your potatoes very well and you have rinsed them as well. When they are boiling, you can add salt. I'm going to add this amount. Yeah. Then I cover for them to cook. So I'm done preparing this. I have coriander, they're done, and I have my onions. So even though nakatanga onions when I'm cooking, the 2 cuts are back, so don't mind them. So I have the onions. I have cut them in round, but you can also cut them like this. You cut them into half and then you do like this. You cut them like this. But today we are going to use them like this, a mixture of round and this. Why are you disturbing me? Go to your mother. Go to your mother. Oh, I said go back to your mother. The potatoes are ready. Do not let them overcook. So nitaenda kuzitoa, nizitoe maji. And I'm doing that. Nitaekelea mafuta because we are going to deep fry them. So the oil is hot. I'm going to add in my potatoes. And guys, do not ask me what happened to this kijiko of mine, because I'm not going to tell you. Is it even kijiko? I don't know. So there they are. We wait for them to cook. When they cook, we are going to put them here. But kwa sababu ya mafuta, we are going to put a kitambaa here. Make sure you are using a clean kitambaa. What am I doing? So this is how I do it. Tunaziweka hapa ndani. So let's wait for them to cook. As they are cooking, let me eat a banana. Tell me, are you that type who peels the banana yote kwanza unakula, ama unapeel hivi nusu nusu unakula? Me, I don't like that thing of peeling ati hapa ninakula hapo. No, I want to eat it like yote kabisa. Sitaki kusumbuliwa mimi na maganda. Our potatoes are cooked. So tuzitoe kwa mafuta. Tuziweka kwa hot pot. If you have never tried to cook this dish, you can just prepare it for your loved ones. After that, tutoe mafuta tuweke kwa sufuria nyingine. Tubakishe tu kadogo. Then we add in our onions. And we wait for the onions to cook. So the onions are cooked. Look at this color. So now we're going to add in our garlic. And then we're going to add in the Royco cube, black pepper, and a little bit of salt because we had added salt for viazi. So we are going to add this amount and we reduce the amount. So that amount is enough. And then we mix them together. And at this point, you can pour in your potatoes. Oh God. And then you're going to mix them together. Because everything is cooked, does not need so much time. So zimeiva. So sprinkle your danias. Is it dania or dania? Sprinkle your dania. If you like it, coriander. Hizi hatuzihitaji ziive because of the flavor. So basically that's how Lyonnaise potatoes are cooked. You can add capsicum if you like them. Capsicum, the red one, the yellow, and the green one. But for me today, this is what I wanted to prepare because I did not have the capsicum. Also, you can cut your potatoes into rounds like bajia. The way you like them, guys. So the food is ready. And I am going to serve it hot. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed today's vlog. If you have enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until my next one, bye bye.